Yeah, yes.
and just type download Node.js. Download Node.js. Okay, click on the first link. So guys, if you have a system, you guys can also try. You can see we have a Windows, right? Second,
Yes, yes. Hmm.
click on this once. Click on the window. Yeah, Windows. Go down. I think by default it is selected. So
Yeah.
you have to install, yeah, this one. Yeah, installer dot msl. Yeah, Windows. Yeah, click on that.
This one.
Yeah, this one. Yeah. Are you able to download?
Yeah, yeah. Are yes, Mohit, can you are not able to see my screen?
Yeah, yeah, I'm able to see. I think it's
Yeah.
downloaded. Can you go in the download folder?
Yes, yes. I just went to download folder and just a minute. It may be loading.
Your skin is, I think, stuck.
Okay, okay,
Can you share or unshare? I'm able to see only that screen.
okay, okay. Yeah, sure. I will share again once more.
Mhm. So guys, this notes I will share with you. You can access through my portal. So in weekend I will upload these notes and I will give you the access. Okay, so yeah, can you reshare again?
Yeah, yes, yes. Is now we are able to see, right?
Yeah, yeah,
Okay. So this is the
yeah.
installer I
Click
put.
on install
Yeah,
it now.
yeah. Yeah, I just clicked this one. So
Okay, yeah.
this is the first page I got.
Follow the instruction. Same.
Yeah.
Click on
Okay.
next.
So
Accept the license. No,
yes.
no
Yeah.
issue. Click
Okay.
on accept the license agreement. Yeah.
Okay.
Click on next. Click on next. Next. Click on install. If you have a system, guys, you can do the parallelly. Okay. It will little bit take time, but yeah.
Yeah, it's get installed.
It
Mohit.
get
So
installed. Okay. So
yes.
now you can go for C drive.
Okay. See, try.
Okay. Go to C drive
Okay.
and you have to go to program files and you can see here this Node.js folder. It's there,
Yes, it
right?
is.
Yeah.
Yes.
So this Node.js folder, and now we have to set the path of this. Okay.
Okay.
So go to your system variable.
Okay. So I need to go for.
System variables. Type no. System variable. Type it system variable. So guys, you have to set the path. Okay.
Yes. Okay.
So go to system variable. Yeah. Go to environmental variable. Yeah. Click on this. Okay. And one second. Go to that same path. You can copy the path till Node.js.
Okay.
One second. Did you copy that path?
Yes. 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 Just
Click
copied
click on new. Click on new.
uh,
No.
in the system variable.
Yeah, system variable. You can write here Node.js hyphen home caps.
Caps.
This
Everything
is
is caps.
yeah. This is like we follow some
Okay.
standard to yeah. You can put the path here. Okay, till Node.js. Yeah, I think till now you can keep like this. We'll see it. Okay.
Okay.
Second. And after that you have to install Visual Code. Go to Chrome or you
So
can just
there is nothing to apply or something like that.
click on apply and close it.
So,
Okay.
yeah. Sure.
You can hide this. You can see share a screen. We have a hide option.
Yes.
Yeah. Click on hide. You click on OK.
Okay.
Click on OK. Fine. Now you can download Visual Code, Visual Studio. Go to again.
This one you are right. You are telling this one or this one?
Yeah, this one. Yeah, this one.
This purple
First,
color.
first one. First one.
First one, blue color. Okay.
Blue color. Yeah.
Okay. So I think I'm having that, but I
Mm-hmm.
don't where.
If you having no issue, okay.
Okay.
So can you open that?
Yeah. So it is opening Microsoft Store.
So
Yeah, I will just open again. Visual Studio installer
Visual,
is
no, Visual Studio Code. Yeah,
code.
yeah.
This something it is opening. Like I think it is not there.
Mm, it's, I think you have to install. Okay.
Install. Okay. Okay.
So go to Chrome
Okay.
and just type download Visual Studio VS Code. Uh,
The first link, right?
one second. What you have mentioned? Visual Studio. No. Don't Visual Studio Code.
Visual.
VS. Remove that VS once.
Okay.
Mm, type. Yeah, enter again. Go little bit down. No, go little bit down. Uh, okay. Click on that window one. Window.
This one.
Uh, I'm not getting the exact. This is not a proper link. Let me.
Yeah. Just a minute. Actually, I need to change these such browser sometimes because of that also. Just a minute.
No issue. Visual. If you will type, you can just go to this link. Okay, I'll ping you.
Okay.
Okay, go to this link.
This one you are telling.
Yes.
Okay.
Hmm. You have to download for window one. Okay.
Okay.
Click on that download. It's a big window icon is there, na?
Yes.
Click on this. Yes,
Yeah, it is done.
downloading, na? Okay.
So yeah, I got that installer.
You can install like same.
Yeah, okay. So
Jaita, you have a system? You join with your system or you join with your mobile?
I joined from mobile.
Okay, okay. So the people who join from the mobile, I will share this recording also. So tomorrow, guys, I need everyone to install this all the things. Okay,
okay, sure.
because you
Sorry.
have to do parallel practice. Click on the next. Okay,
Okay.
if you will, your hand will means if you will do hands on only. No, yes, yes. Click on yes. So if you are doing practice only, then you will get the confidence what you are learning because theory is very less. You have to code, okay, yourself, okay. And we will go for very basics. You can see installation, and we can start basics programming for JavaScript. It's very important. And couple of days we'll explore our JavaScript basics like variable data types, so the things will become easy. Click on finish. Okay,
Yes.
and open this VS Code. I think it open automatically. Wait, okay.
Yes.
Okay, so now can you maximize this? Can you maximize? Close it. Yeah, that one you can close it.
Okay.
Release something is coming now. You can close it. Hmm.
Okay.
Okay. Okay. So uh, you can see we have a file. Either you can create a file from yeah from there, or you can create a file from that icon also.
Okay.
Okay. So you can see. Don't go for text file. You can see one new file. Click on this.
Yes.
Click on this. So do one thing. Okay. Can you write the file name? Like you can write just test one,
Okay.
test no test one dot dot js. Click on enter. Let's see what it is coming. So you have to ask to save this file. Okay. Create a
Okay.
any folder from where you have to practice it.
Okay.
Okay.
Sure.
So don't create a folder
Uh,
in the
can I can I give this desktop folder like I can
no.
create here also? Yeah.
Do you have any other place like any other drive, or you
I
have a
think,
only C drive?
actually I'm having only C drive with me
Okay,
here.
no issue. You can create a um, any place okay you can create on the desktop
Okay.
JavaScript practice. Okay, create a
Okay.
one folder JavaScript practice.
Okay.
Okay, JavaScript practice.
Yes.
Okay,
Okay.
wait. You have to here right
Yes.
file name. You have to give the proper extension. Test demo. Go inside this. Go inside this. Go
Okay.
inside this. Huh. Now okay, we can change your file name. You can just write first JavaScript, or just you can write any name as of now. Test demo or something you can write it.
Yes. Okay.
Test demo dot js. So if you will have a dot js, then
Okay. Huh.
Java means JavaScript will understand your file is yeah.
Okay.
Click on create. Okay, and you can just type console.
Uh,
Type it
okay.
console. con yeah console dot log log
Log. Okay.
log yeah.
Log. It's fine.
Enter. Just you can write the bracket. No.
Okay.
Log is your method. Okay.
Okay.
Log. How you are writing println, right? This is the
Yes.
same.
Yes.
You can
Okay.
write a small bracket
Okay.
like how defining double quotes. You can print anything like hi or welcome to playwright. Yeah. anything, hello. Okay. So guys, in JavaScript, if you will give the semicolon or if you will not give also, it will work. Okay, for readability purpose, you can also mention the semicolon. If you will not mention also, it will work. Or if you will not mention also, it will. Okay, so now how to execute this? So you can see we have a run, go on the top, run. Wait, where is the terminal option is coming? We will open the terminal. It's, you can see one triple dot option is there. No, no. After after run, you can
Yes,
see.
yes. Huh.
Click on open the terminal. Yes, new terminal, new terminal. So first of all, you have to. Okay, I think. Okay, you can. Do you want to start software? Just click on OK. Just click on
Yeah.
enter. Just click on enter. Let's see what is happening.
Okay.
Enter only. Yeah.
Enter, I need to click, right?
Huh. Okay. Clear. 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 Right. Clear. Mm, enter. Huh. Now you have to go to that folder. Okay. Where you
Okay.
have a save the file. Okay.
That.
So,
Yeah.
so,
Yes. Yes.
so, uh, copy that path.
Yeah.
Okay. Copy that path and you can just write cd. No, no, no.
Sorry.
Not
Sorry.
not equal to cd and give that path. Enter. So first of all, you have to go to that path. Then you are able to execute JavaScript file. Now, guys, I did not start Playwright. Now you are learning the JavaScript. How to execute this? You can write node, node, node.
Okay.
Type it, node,
Okay.
space, and your file name,
Fine.
testdemo.js. .js. Enter. Oh, not node, 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 node.
Oh, sorry. Sorry.
No issue. Yeah, enter now. Okay, it's not printing. So actually, guys, what happened? This editor will not save automatically. Go to the file and just do the Control S. Cursor, click on the cursor on the file.
Okay.
Yes, click Control S.
Okay.
Save it. And
Yeah.
now you can run again. You have to not type again. Just you can go for arrow up, arrow up.
Okay.
Automatically it will come. Yeah,
Yes.
yeah. Okay, it's working now.
Yes.
Okay, guys. So install this Node.js and uh, this Visual Studio Code, and we will explore your JavaScript couple of days. Then the Playwright will become easy. Okay.